Good morning, ladies. Woo, you guys are close. Okay, so I am going to show you something that I put on someone the other day. These are the magnetic lashes from Eylure, and I'm already having problems. So what you do is, these are like $16, $17, and they have different styles from Ulta, or I guess anywhere they sell these. And it has this liquid magnetic liner in here, and then you just pop the lashes on. So I'm gonna do this on the video, post it really fast. I did these on a client the other day, and they were awesome. So I'm gonna use my little, sorry, I'm sitting really close to this background. Dang it, come on, hair, get off. So I use these to get in there and kind of just like peel the lashes off as much as possible without breaking them. And the first thing that you want to do is, I always kind of like tighten the band a little bit like this, like make it pliable, I guess. And then I'm gonna get a mirror and look up close in it, and I want to see if this fits my eye or not. So I'm just gonna get in here and I look down into my mirror and keep my chin high so that it opens up my lid space. And then I'm gonna pop this on here really fast and just see. Yeah, this is gonna be a good length for me. So let's put the liner on. I'll get this lash off me. I'm excited because on the box, it says that you get something like 15 uses out of these. And for those ladies who wear eyeliner but don't want to hassle with gluing on lashes, because it sucks. I have ruined an entire face of makeup. One night when my husband and I were going out, I started crying. This has been a long time ago. I started crying. I took my makeup off. I was like, not going. I'm not going. So this is for you ladies who want to have the nice lashes on, but you know, maybe you can't do the glue, but you can do this liquid liner. So let's see how easy it is. I'm gonna take the liquid liner, open it up, and I always look down into my mirror. I'm holding this mirror. I'm gonna put my liquid liner down so it doesn't spill out or anything. I look down into my mirror. I'm gonna tuck my hair behind my ear too, because I always get it in my hair. So look down into my mirror, and I'm gonna start kind of like a third of the way through. I'm gonna move up so you guys can see what I'm doing. And then I just go across. I'm gonna do a little wing liner because, you know, why not? And then I go back over here. Ooh, girl, this liner is pigmented for sure. So that's kind of what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna go a little bit further because the lash has like 5 different, actually these have 4, but you wanna make sure that you get a good coat on the inner corner, and then this is kind of what that looks like. Yeah, I'm getting my point. And then I'm just gonna go over it one last time to make sure that I have, you know, a nice thick coat on for the lash to lay on. And now I'm gonna do the other eye. So hang in here. That was my dog. Ooh. Coming in to, or trying to come in. He was over there scratching at the door. So, and there he is again. Okay, so we've got those on. Ooh. There we go. I had a little crooked. See? Not everybody's perfect. Okay, so this one over here should be dry. I don't want to make this video too long. I am, after the video, gonna go back and like put some liner in my waterline. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna use this one that's lit on my corner. And pro tip, just look down into your mirror again, put that liner pencil right there on your waterline, and just color your waterline. So it gives you just like a thicker, more flawless look. So you guys don't need to see me do that on the other eye. Let's put the lash on. Okay, so no glue. This is just liner. And then all you're supposed to do is attach the lash. Oh, whoa. Girl. I mean, that's it. That lash is on. I don't have enough makeup on to wear these lashes. Wow, that's crazy. It just attaches on there. That's nuts. I want to watch it again. Like, maybe I will just go ahead. I wonder if I should put like a tiny bit of mascara on. Honey! Can you please get Bella? Lord Jesus. Okay, so I'm going to pop this lash back off. And I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on my own lash. Monster big. And then I do the same thing, if you notice, with the mascara so that I don't hit my eyeshadow. If you look down into this mirror and kind of raise your eyebrows, the way that you can get in there and brush through your lashes gives you so much more space, what I'm trying to say. All right, people, let's put the other lash back on because I want this video to end. Okay, so other lash back on, and that's the thing, you can take these off and on. I love that. Okay, so again, you're just gonna go in there and boop. Pop the lash back on. So, wow, that is crazy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am definitely gonna wear these lashes all day long, do a wear test, see if anything changes, if the eyeliner slips or anything like that, because I did put these on someone the other day, but obviously I wasn't with that person all day to see what happened. And then I will definitely be doing an update on this video because so far this is super, super cool. So, yeah, as of right now, this looks like it's going to be like a pretty good purchase. Sorry, I want to move this magnet down. There. Yeah, you still want to make it look like you want to get it in the lash line. So anyways, that was quick, easy, no dry down time. Like, let's see how these wear throughout the day. And I will do a check-in with you guys after a while. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share this video with your friends. If you find it helpful, let people know about it. And I will see you guys in the next one. And if you have a video idea or you have something on me that you just like want to see, if you want to ask me a question about skincare, makeup, my routine, anything, ask the question. And I'm sure if you're asking it, other people are too. So I will make a little video about it and answer the question. So anyways, I will see you guys later tonight whenever I post a different video about how this wore. Bye guys.